Hello guys, welcome back. So this is the last section of this course. Here now we are going to implement the countdown timer, and the connection status we will display, either it is connected or not connected. We will just display another text below our VPN button on our home screen. And also the countdown timer we will display whenever the connection is established, when the VPN server started successfully, which will basically tell us about the duration, that is how much time we are connected to the server, that is VPN is connected for how long. So in here on our home screen, VPN round button, inside the VPN round button after the semantics, let me just add here, this is our VPN button code, okay, and then after it we are going to display the status of the connection, and then of course we will display, you can say, the countdown timer or the timer. So let's just implement the status of the connection first. So we can say container margin edge inserts dot only size from the top, the size screen will be the size screen height, whatever the screen height is, we will take 0.15%, and from bottom, whatever the screen height is, from bottom we will take 0.02%. padding edge insert dot symmetric vertical 6, horizontal 16, child text widget, home controller dot VPN connection state dot value. If the connection state value become equals to the VPN engine dot VPN disconnected now. So if the connection state is equals to disconnected, then in that case we will display title, that is not connected. Otherwise else we will display the VPN stat. So we can say home controller, whatever the VPN stat is, we will display that. So we can say home controller dot VPN's connection state dot replace all, and we want to replace all underscores with an empty string, that is okay, replace all underscore with an empty string which comes with the VPN connection state dot to uppercase, put a comma. Now what this means, as you know that our VPN connection states if I show you, these are the connection stats, okay. So for example, if it is waiting, it will be wait underscore connection. What we want is, we do not want to display underscore in it, so that's why we replace the underscore with an empty string like this, okay. Give one space, okay, just like this, give one space like this. So it will replace the underscore with this extra space, so it will be like wait space connection, okay. That is, underscore is replaced with one space, that's why. and we convert it to uppercase so that it looks beautiful. Let's apply some style on it, text style, and then the font size will be 13 and the color will be color.white. Now let's test the application and see how it looks. So the app is running now. Let's connect to any VPN server, and the default value, if you see, we do not get that. So as you know that we have given it white color. So what I will do, I will add a box decoration, some background for this text. So the box decoration for this text widget we are going to add. So what we can do is we can simply cut this text widget from here, Control X. Okay, we will paste it back once we add the box decoration. So now after the padding we can say decoration, box decoration, and then in here so you can say colors dot iridescent, or radius dot circular 16 from all sides. And then after the decoration we can say child and then paste back the text widget which we cut earlier, which is this one. So now this text widget, on this text widget this box decoration is applied, which has iridescent color, and it will be circular, that is its border will be circular with 16. So now let's just install the app again and see how it looks. So you can see that not connected. Now when we connect to any VPN, let's select Japan. It is connecting now, and you can see the status is changing, wet connection. So this one is taking a bit longer, maybe its MS is down, low MS. So I'm going to choose another one. Let's choose this one, Russia Federation. Let's connect. Connecting, wet connection, authenticating. You can see the status is changing according to the connection, VPN connection state. And we are connected successfully. So you can see that this looks more professional now. Okay, we can get the VPN connection state here at runtime. You see it changes according to the VPN connection state.